So guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video guys, papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po tayo mag-transfer ng funds from our Maya to our GCash. So dito guys, magsasend po tayo. Okay, bank transfer po tayo guys. Dito sa bank transfer guys, pili po tayo dito guys yung GCash. Search po natin. G-Exchange, ito, G-Exchange, enter amount. Lagay natin guys, 950. So, purpose guys, kahit ano yung purpose nyo guys, account number. So, search na ilagay natin dito. So, yan guys, yan pingin natin information. Click lang natin guys yung continue. Transfer now. Click lang tayo guys sa OTP. 1 verify. Done. So, ganun lang po guys, ganun lang po guys kadali kung paano tayo mag-transfer ng funds from our PayMaya to our GCash. So, if meron ka natutunan sa video natin for today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.